How to add multiple languages on your Wix website. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add many languages into your website. So it is really easy to do, and in seconds I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first step you need to do is to sign up or log in to your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I have already made one. I have already made couple of websites, but let's make everything from scratch, and I am going to show you how to add languages. So the second step is click on create new site. It's going to load the dashboard. It's going to offer us to use their AI chat, but we are not going to do it, so just click on setup without chat. Now it's going to ask you what kind of website do you want to create. For example, we are creating today a restaurant website. Okay, so moving forward, it's going to prepare our dashboard for work with our website. Next thing we need to do is we need to create a name for our website. I'm just going to name it restaurant. Okay, so then click continue. It's going to offer you to add Wix apps that are detailed into the restaurant. For example, the restaurant menus, food orders, table reservations. Those are all apps that will help you to create a restaurant website. So I'm not going to do it right now because we have another opportunity. So then just click skip and continue to dashboard. So now when we are all set, we need to go to design our website page. So it is right here. Just click on it and you're going to ask one more time, how would you like to design your website? So we are going to customize a template. We're not going to generate our website by the AI technology. So click pick a template and you're ready to go. So the next step we need to do is we need to choose the best templates that the better suits us. So for example, I really like this one template, so you just can pick from a lot of templates that are like 3 pages of the restaurant's website. So I'm just going to edit this one. Just click on it, click on edit, and you're good to go. So now it's going to load our editors page. It's going to show us all the mechanics of editing. So it's preparing our site. As you can see, you just need to wait a bit. Okay, so right now, as you can see, it's going to add a couple of things right more. Our website is ready. We just need to wait a couple of seconds more. So just need to wait a bit. Okay, so as you can see, we are on the editors page, and the next step, as you can see, we have our website on the English language. So if you want to add multiple languages, just go to the settings, and here you see multilingual. So just click on it and it's going to add an app that is connected to multilinguals. So here it's going to tell you that you can translate your site and expand to new markets. So it will help you to communicate with visitors around the world, translate in a click with machine translation or do it manually, boost your traffic, sales and organic presence in multiple countries. So just click on start now and you're going to be offered to set new languages. So is English your site's main language? Yes, we just click on set main language if the English is our main language, or no if we want to set our main language, for example French. So you need to here select a flag to represent English on your site. You can represent it by many flags, so by the United Kingdom or by the Canada, whatever you want. I just go with the United States. Okay, so it's going to count the words that are in your website. Right now on our website we have 936 words. Our main language is English, and here you can see add new language, add a language button. So just click on it and select a new language. For example, I want to add a French language with the flag France. So you can see here that there is a manual translation and machine translation. So manual, you translate everything by yourself, and machine translation is going to help you to translate by the machine. So in order, you have 3000 words to be translated for free. Then you need to buy an upgrade on Wix or make your own manual translation. So here you need to set make site in French visible right away, so you can keep it hidden for now or make it visible right away. I just click on yes, make it visible right away, then click on add language, and it's going to auto translate your website. As you can see, there is a count on how many words are translated. As you can see, now it's going to ask you to refresh page, so changes were made in another browser. Please refresh the page to get the latest version. So click on it and it's going to refresh it by yourself. Right now we are going to see our editors page, right? Okay, so as you can see right now, everything is in the English language. If you want to go multilingual right now, or one more time, and you can set up a new language for your website. So for example, if the user is from the France, he's going to see your website on the French language. So guys, it's really easy to do. I hope you like my video. Right now I am going to show you the upgrade plans that Wix is offering for us. If you want to add more multilingual features, just see those plans and you'll be good to go. So in addition, there are 4 plans that you can upgrade for. The first one is light, it costs 13 euro per month. Next one is the core one, it costs 26 euro per month, and next one is the business one. It is recommended for almost every website if you want to sell there something, so it's got a lot of features. And the priceless one is the business elite. It costs 178 euros per month. Okay guys, so I hope you have learned something from my video. Please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.